far too many people these days struggle with staying active, especially when busy schedules keep them tied to desks or working from home. But with the right treadmill, you can take charge of your health without sacrificing productivity. The best walking pads and under-desk treadmills bring fitness straight to your home or office, combining quiet operation, powerful motors, and compact designs. Today, we're diving into the top 5 walking pad treadmills on Amazon for 2025. Perfect for anyone looking to stay fit, focused, and energized. Before we begin, make sure to check the links in the description. They'll take you straight to the latest discounts and best deals for every treadmill we talk about. Let's get started. Up first, we have the Soup Run Walking Pad, a 3-in-1 portable treadmill designed for versatility and power. This under-desk treadmill packs a 2.5 horsepower quiet motor, delivering smooth performance whether you're walking, jogging, or lightly running. With its LED display and remote control, you can easily track your speed, time, distance, and calories without interrupting your stride. Built to hold up to 300 pounds, it's both sturdy and space-saving. Perfect for small apartments, offices, or home gyms. The Super Run's design allows you to fold it flat and roll it away when not in use, making it one of the most practical treadmills in its class. Whether you're walking while working or sneaking in a quick cardio session, this treadmill keeps you active with zero hassle and minimal noise. Next, we have the Walking Pad Treadmill with incline and handlebar, a step up for those who want more intensity and balance during workouts. With speeds of up to 7.5 miles per hour, this treadmill delivers the power you need for jogging and brisk walking sessions alike. The incline feature adds an extra challenge, helping you burn calories faster and strengthen your legs and glutes. Built with a 360-pound weight capacity, it's designed for durability and stability. The integrated handlebar gives you added safety and control, while the LED display clearly tracks all your key stats. Plus, the remote control makes it easy to adjust settings on the go. Whether you're aiming for a light walk or a sweaty incline session, this treadmill is built to perform and last. Coming up next is the Walking Pad Treadmill with incline for home office, another reliable option for users who want a compact yet effective machine. Powered by a 2.5 horsepower motor, this treadmill ensures a smooth and quiet experience, ideal for multitasking while working. It can support up to 265 pounds, offering a great balance between portability and performance. The treadmill's incline function gives your workouts a natural boost, while the LED display and remote control allow seamless monitoring and adjustments. Compact enough to fit under most desks, this model is great for users who want to stay active throughout their workday without any disruption. It's efficient, sleek, and perfectly suited for modern home offices. Now let's take a look at something truly innovative: the Sparax Walking Treadmill Pad with APP connectivity. This 3-in-1 treadmill combines walking, vibration, and low-impact exercise modes into one compact device. With its 400-watt low-noise motor, it's perfect for quiet environments like offices or apartments. What makes this treadmill special is its APP control. You can easily connect your phone to track progress, set goals, and monitor performance in real time. The remote control also gives you quick access to start, stop, or change speed. Despite its compact build, it's sturdy enough for everyday use and easily portable. Designed for low-impact workouts, the Sparax treadmill is ideal for people who want gentle exercise without stressing their joints, all while keeping the noise to a minimum. Finally, we've got the Walking Pad Treadmill with 12% 9-level auto incline, a true powerhouse for those who want professional-grade performance at home. With an impressive 450-pound capacity, this treadmill stands out for its strength, durability, and advanced features. The 9-level automatic incline system lets you simulate uphill walking or hiking, helping you tone your muscles and boost your cardio endurance. The RGB LED screen provides real-time feedback on your stats, and the built-in Bluetooth speaker allows you to enjoy music while you work out. It's compact yet feature-packed, giving you the flexibility to walk, jog, or even run comfortably. This treadmill brings the gym experience right to your living room, offering premium features at a fraction of the cost of larger machines. In conclusion, all 5 of these treadmills are perfect examples of how fitness technology has evolved, delivering power, portability, and smart design for any lifestyle. Whether you need a simple walking pad for your office, a high-incline treadmill for intense workouts, or a compact machine that fits under your desk, these models offer something for everyone. If you want to improve your fitness while working, boost your energy levels, or stay active without hitting the gym, these top 5 walking pad treadmills on Amazon 2025 will get the job done efficiently. Check out the links in the description to see the latest prices and discounts on each product. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and fitness product recommendations. Stay active, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.